You show up thirsty, staring at me like I can do something for you. You lick your lips, you think you're slick. You stalk like I'm a piece of meat. You're trying out and showing off, so flashy, don't do jack for me. You're such a troll, out of control. I wish I could just hit delete. Why you gotta ruin this for us? Spoil the fun, just be done. I have seen enough to call your bluff. Oh, didn't come here for you. You're killing the mood. Oh, you being so rude. Get out of my way. Didn't come here to fight. Carry on with your night. Stay out of my sight. Get out of my way. Didn't come here for you. You're killing the mood. Oh, you being so rude. Get out of my way. Didn't come here to fight. Carry on with your night.
네, 안녕하십니까, 하바람TV입니다. 자, 오늘은 사랑도에 지금 나와 있습니다. 사랑도 남해 오늘 혼출했고요. 오늘은 금요일이고 오늘은 회사 연차를 쓰고 지금 문어낚시를 나왔습니다. 일단 문어낚시를 한번 해보고, 지금 족조가 심하고 바다 물색이 상당히 지금 더럽습니다. 지금 바다 이거 물색이 아주 탁하고 부유물이 엄청납니다. 지금 쓰레기하고 나뭇가지에 바다 상황은 그렇게 좋지 않습니다. 일단 여기서 문어 낚시를 한번 해볼 거고요. 지금 이제 첫 번째 양식장에 왔습니다. 지금 채비를 해서 문어 낚시를 한번 해보도록 하겠습니다. 자, 그럼 하바람TV 출발합니다. 자, 여기가 사랑도 상도 쪽에 있는, 저번에 여기서 좀 잡았던 기억이 있어서 일단 여기로 와봤습니다. 자, 여기서 이제 첫 번째 포인트 문어낚시 스타트 해보도록 하겠습니다. 와, 오늘 날씨도 좋고 구름도 없고 날씨는 기가 막힙니다. 부유물이 아주 많지만 오늘 모처럼 나온 김에 오늘 조가보다는 힐링한다는 생각으로 즐겨보도록 하겠습니다.
I've been making moves like a ninja. I could play it cool like I'm winter. I can make it rain like a cash tsunami. Wanna slip and slide, we can link up. Working all the time, make it duller. Be a student, try to make a dollar. Wanna live life like I'm on vacation. Gotta get those good vibrations. Oh, glowing so bright, I'm going so high. I'm riding high and it just goes up.
지금 두 번째 불평 크다가 한 마리 드디어 나왔습니다.
I can turn it round like wanna have a party, let it all hang out. Come on, let me show you what it's all about. Like whoa, I like it better when we all get loud. I feel the goodness all around. Like whoa, I'm feeling good now.
한 마리 더 나왔습니다.
I'm feeling good now. I'm feeling good now. Like a top-down summer. I've been on the rise, it's a come up. No, I don't gotta try, I'm a natural stunner. Hitting home runs like a baseball runner. Yeah, I just go up, never coming down, down. Good things show up, got me saying wow, wow. yeah, I'm feeling great. Every time I look around, it's like it's in my face. Yeah, nothing in this world is taking that away. Cause my people are my people, I'm not running in your race. But I run real hard like a track star. I don't gotta run hard just to get far. Cause I work real hard, but then I play harder. That's how I know that I'ma get farther. Wanna have a party, let it all hang out. Come on, let me show you what it's all about. Like, whoa.